What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the music side of this channel. Today I'm going to be recording a little session here. I think I'm going to start with drums, and I usually don't like to use loops, but sometimes you can get creative with them. I'm going to filter out the low in this. There we go. We're going to do something funky. Create automation clip. I just need... Go ahead and make an effects thing. Take out all the dry, put all the wet. Let's drop it down a bit. Let's cut this out a little bit. I think it's sometimes a good idea to keep drums together, make them sound more together by adding a common reverb, a community reverb, if you will. Make unique. So when you find something that you think sounds better in a certain spot, and it's fighting with another, just go ahead and delete it from the other one that you don't want. I feel like I'm not talking well at all today. So there we go, I got rid of that. I'm going to end the video there because I don't want it to be too long. I don't really know what I'm doing with my YouTube channel, and I don't know if it's okay to do multiple types of content. I hope you enjoyed anyway, making this drum loop with me. Maybe I'll build on this in the next video, put in some more instruments. See you guys in the next video.